Hey guys, welcome back, and we're gonna check this incubator unit. The owner has an experience of hard time with regards of this turning mechanism. So we're gonna check this. We're gonna have this in manual turning. There goes the trigger, and
So manual ito.
we're gonna find
Natunog
it.
full.
There's something in here faulty, because we heard some buffering noise. There goes. Okay, and that is here in the relay. As we can see here, this has been a den of cockroaches. The wirings has been a good home for cockroaches. Yes, there it goes. And we're gonna tackle this error. Checking this manual button, or we'll set on manual with this timer to have its trigger on, and the turning toggle switch. The switch
Natunog
will
full.
be going to be on automatic, so the current can flow, the electricity can flow directly to the motor. And so now the relay is functioning, though through its indicator light, but there's something going on out here, because we can still hear the buffering sound, and the motor is not responding even when the trigger has been on. So there is something going on here. When we apply the manual, it should be moving. The swing should have been moved, but there's nothing. There's no movement that we have seen.
Dito talaga nakita yung tira. Kaya papalitan natin ito ng replacement.
And here goes the other one. Let's see. The bulb has already been damaged on its base. Oh no. This one will be included with the replacement. This bulb was used as a candling light. Okay. This one that has been used as candlelight. Damage on the base, and we have to replace this one. And oh, here comes the cleaning stuff. Oh no, this is one that everyone must pay attention with regards of their incubator unit. Sometimes you have to open the wiring compartment to check whether if there's a lot of stuff in there, the cockroaches or anything, insects that could damage our wirings. We should be aware with this stuff. And finally, here we go. We have our new relay for our egg turning mechanism. And this is the faulty one that has been moved out from being installed. This is the one that giving us a buffering sounds, and doesn't respond to the trigger of the timer. That's why we have to remove this one and being replaced with the new one. Okay, it comes already here. There's a rust stuff inside. I guess that's the problem. There's a lot of moisture inside the coil. I I don't know inside the base, but it is already confirmed that this one is not responding well. It's going bad. And now all I have to do is to test this. Have a series of tests with this new accessory replacement. If ever there's nothing more that adds to the problem, that we have to test this. So if there is anything more problem, we will be able to find it. At least we have this one. We have already confirmed and given it a replacement. Okay. And now we're going to check if the relay will respond accordingly, and as well the motor, if the motor will going to respond with the trigger of our timer and the release of the current from our relay. Okay, let's do this. And okay, as we can see, the swing uh, has been having a good response, and it moved, so we're all good now. And now we just need to find out if ever the automatic program, the settings of this timer is still good. So we have to have this reset, so we'll be able to find out if ever the program of this automatic settings is still good. So there we go. By the way, guys, I'm being reminded, if somebody wants to or is looking for video for settings, how to set time with this type of incubator timer, just look. We have another video uploaded in this channel, and you'll just have to check it out. Okay. And here I'm just trying to have this reset for an interval of 1 minute, so there's no much time wasted for waiting for its on and off interval. Now we'll just have to wait for 1 minute, then we're good to go. And sorry for my if ever my English goes so bad, and you know, I'm not used to with using English in my on daily basis, and I'm hoping you can still catch uh, the whole thing of this video. And now, guys, for the moment of truth, here we go. Just a seconds, couple of seconds away, and there we go. Moment of truth. There you are. And that's all for the whole video of our egg turner mechanism troubleshoot. And for those who are new in this channel, please consider subscribing. See you in the next video. Bye bye.